Okay, today we're gonna be cooking little kids in Arena Animal Company. And I swear, if my team is buns again, I'm gonna crash out. I'm not playing Animal Company ever again. I swear, if my team is buns. Let's see how this works out. Don't ask why I'm muted.
You have to fish.
Guys, guess what?
You gotta fish.
Guys,
and you gotta
guess
find
what?
a dragonfish.
Guys, guess what?
2 to 1, 2 to 1!
Guys, guess what?
Wait, let me grab this other arm. Let me grab this other arm. Do a cheese pull.
Guys,
Do a
guess
cheese
what?
pull. Do a cheese pull. Do a cheese pull. Do a cheese pull. Do a cheese pull.
Guys,
One.
guys, guess what?
This dude accidentally went on red team and he.
Better. Hey, we got
Oh, no, I go back.
Come on,
Yeah, you left.
Be careful.
I'm new to the game. Go defeat Red. Ah. Where is he?
Surprise, motherfucker! Oh.
Bro, Cat, you're good at this game, bro.
Get with me, bro. Did someone just say they're recording?
Cat, you're actually
not
good, bro.
getting wood.
Cat, you're actually good. Which type of cat? The cat was the job. Report to Golden, he's base camping and rushing and spamming. You can't get reported spamming and camping.
He can. Oh, you can. Yeah, you can. Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. Wait,
Okay,
wait. I just want to pick it up. Say,
Wonder if
oh
Oh, yeah? No.
Never die.
Nice, Otis.
I got reported.
No one has ever told me before.
How do you like it, you stupid mother?
You spam revolvers, what do you expect? It's like saying not to use a
Submachine gun, full auto, and just use it up.
Nobody killed.
Y'all spam all at once.
Don't man.
Where's her boy?
I hit him. You racist.
Yeah, he's cooked. You're done, buddy. You're done.
fuck you.
Guys, there's literally like 100 people.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Cat. I'm gonna go over here.
Okay, guys. If you like that video,
How long have you been playing this
subscribe.
mode?
Please, man.
Huh?
How long have you
I've been playing since